Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This ISUZU NKR single-man basket lift truck, manufactured by PowerStar, is your ideal choice for various aerial work environments. It adopts a sturdy ISUZU light truck chassis, which can effectively ensure stability and durability. With a wheelbase of 3,316, a vehicle length of 6,300 mm and a width of 2,100, it is perfectly suitable for urban and indoor operations. Its forearm telescopic design can reach an operating height of 20 meters and a maximum operating range of 7 meters, suitable for various complex terrains. The rotary table has a single row 4-point contactable outer ring gear, a planetary gear reducer and an axial piston motor to ensure precise and smooth operation. Equipped with a 360-degree omnidirectional rotation function, it can operate flexibly no matter where it is. This ISUZU NKR single-man basket lift truck is equipped with an insulated working bucket, an automatic balancing system, a tilt angle sensor, and a control system controlled by LED display buttons to ensure the operator's consistent and safe working experience. The ISUZU NKR aerial platform truck is an indispensable tool in all types of aerial operations, such as construction sites, high-rise building cleaning and maintenance. If you want to know more about ISUZU special trucks, you can search W.ISUZU trucks C in .com by Google.